Hi, my name is Deanna Lyons, and today I just want to take you through the tapping points real quickly. We're just going to focus on the points themselves and not worry about all the things you're supposed to say or how you're supposed to do it, just so you can get a feel for where the tapping points are. So this is the side of the hand, and this is where we'll do a setup statement, and then you just work your way from the top down. So this is the top of the head. It's really kind of right here at the center of the head. And don't worry about getting it perfect, because you're going to be close enough wherever you tap. The eyebrow, this is the eyebrow point, and it's really kind of at the edge of your eyebrow. Some people call it the Botox point, and I like to hit with 2 fingers, but it's up to you. And you can do both sides, or you can switch sides. I'm right-handed, so I'm using this one a lot. We go to the side of the eye, so it's just on the outside of the eyes. Under the eye, and so this is really right at the center here. Under the nose, chin, collarbone. Kind of pull my shirt down here and give you a little bit of a better view, but it's really just right here, about 1 inch below the collarbone on either side from the center. And then this is below the nipple is what it's called. That's the official term. It's a little awkward, but this is a point that's a liver point, and so I like to get it because liver is kind of connected to anger, and I think we all have some anger we want to get rid of, so I like to make sure that we include this. And then under the arm, it's right here, kind of at the center of where our bra straps are, and then the top of the wrist and the bottom of the wrist. And some people do the bottom of the wrist, some people do the top of the wrist. It doesn't matter which direction you go. I've also seen people try to shortcut it this way. It's all good. The only way you can do tapping wrong is to not do it at all. So I hope this gives you a little more comfort level, and check back for more so we can learn more about tapping, and I can show you all the cool things that you can do with it. Thank you.